Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Smina Mehboob Teaching. Again, I'm here with new English sentences. Now let's start spoken English sentences. The first sentence is मुंह चलाना बंद करो. मुंह चलाना बंद करो. Button up your lips. Button up your lips. Very common sentence. Button up your lips. Okay. The next sentence is भाड़ में जाए वो. भाड़ में जाए वो. Brush him off. Brush him off. Brush him off. Okay. The next sentence is मुझे धमकियां सुनना पसंद नहीं है. मुझे धमकियां सुनना पसंद नहीं है. I don't like to be threatened. I don't like to be threatened. Okay? I don't like to be threatened. The next sentence is तुम भी बाकी लोगों जैसे हो. तुम भी बाकी लोगों जैसे हो. You are like the rest of people. You are like the rest of people. Okay, I'm repeating again. मुंह चलाना बंद करो. Button up your lips. भाड़ में जाए वो. Brush him off. मुझे धमकियां सुनना पसंद नहीं है. I don't like to be threatened. The next sentence. तुम भी बाकी लोगों जैसे हो. You are like the rest of people. Okay? Now come to the next sentences. I am erasing the board. Okay? The next sentence is वो देखा देखा सा लगता है. वो देखा देखा सा लगता है. He looks familiar. He looks familiar. Okay? वो देखा देखा सा लगता है. He looks familiar. The next sentence is मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो गुस्से में है. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो गुस्से में है. I have got a feeling he is angry. I have got a feeling he is angry. Okay? मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है वो गुस्से में है. I have got a feeling he is angry. The next sentence is ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. I have got a feeling something bad is going to happen. I have got a feeling something bad is going to happen. Okay? मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. I have got a feeling something bad is going to happen. I'm going to repeat again. वो देखा देखा सा लगता है. He looks familiar. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है वो गुस्से में है. I have got a feeling he is angry. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. I have got a feeling something bad is going to happen. That is today's class. Hope so you will learn and you will be happy from these sentences that will help you in your routine spoken English sentences. Okay, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will come with a new video. Till then, goodbye.